Hello everyone. I'm Priyanka from Excel Core Solutions. In today's video, we will be discussing whole life insurance and also understanding the key differences between term life insurance and whole life insurance. If you have not watched our previous video on term life insurance, I highly recommend checking that out first to get a better understanding before continuing with this one. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Whole life insurance is a type of permanent life insurance that provides coverage for your entire lifetime, as long as you continue paying the premiums regularly. It not only offers financial protection to your family through a guaranteed death benefit, but also includes a savings component known as cash value, which gradually grows over time. This means, along with protection, it also helps in long-term financial planning and wealth creation. Some key features include lifetime coverage, cash value accumulation, the option to borrow against the policy, and its role in building long-term savings. Now let's understand how whole life insurance works. In this type of policy, you pay a fixed premium regularly, which remains the same throughout the policy term. A portion of this premium goes towards providing life insurance coverage, ensuring that your family receives a guaranteed death benefit. The remaining portion is allocated to a cash value component, which grows over time at a steady rate. This cash value accumulates gradually and can be used in the future if needed. You also have the option to borrow against this cash value or even withdraw a part of it under certain conditions. As long as the premiums are paid, the policy stays active for your entire lifetime, offering both financial protection and a growing savings benefit. The cash value component is essentially the savings portion of your policy. When you pay your premium, one part goes towards your insurance coverage, while the remaining portion is added to this cash value. Over time, this cash value grows at a steady and guaranteed rate set by the insurer. It continues to accumulate throughout the life of the policy, gradually building a financial reserve. One of the key benefits is that this amount can be used by the policyholder during their lifetime, making it a useful feature for financial flexibility along with long-term savings. Now let's look at some common types of whole life insurance plans. First, the traditional plan. This is the standard whole life policy where you pay premiums regularly throughout your life and receive both lifetime coverage and cash value benefits. Next is the limited payment plan. In this plan, you pay premiums only for a fixed period, but the coverage continues for your entire lifetime. It's suitable for those who want to finish premium payments early. Then we have the single life plan. This plan covers only one individual and provides a death benefit to the nominee after the policyholder's death. Finally, the participating plan. In this type of policy, the policyholder can receive bonuses or a share of the insurer's profits, which are added to the policy benefits over time. Each of these plans offers different benefits based on your financial goals and preferences. Now let's understand the traditional whole life insurance plan. A traditional whole life insurance plan is a non-market linked policy that provides lifelong financial protection along with steady savings. In this plan, the premium remains fixed, and a portion of it is used to provide a guaranteed death benefit, while the remaining amount builds up as cash value over time. Since it is not linked to the stock market, the returns are stable and predetermined, making it a low-risk option. This makes the plan suitable for individuals looking for long-term financial security and wealth preservation. Key features include that it is not linked to market performance, offers stable and predictable returns, has a fixed premium throughout the policy term, provides a guaranteed death benefit, and also includes cash value accumulation. Now let's understand the limited pay whole life insurance plan. This type of plan allows you to pay premiums only for a fixed and shorter period, while the coverage continues for your entire lifetime. Even after you stop paying premiums, the policy remains active and continues to provide a guaranteed death benefit along with cash value growth. This makes it a great option for individuals who want lifelong protection without the burden of paying premiums throughout their life. Key points include that premiums are paid only for a limited period, lifetime coverage continues even after premium payments stop, it provides a guaranteed death benefit, builds cash value over time, and typically involves higher premiums compared to a regular whole life plan. It is especially suitable for those who prefer early financial planning and a burden-free future. Let's understand the single life whole life insurance plan in more detail. This plan is designed to cover only one individual and provides financial protection for their entire lifetime. The policyholder pays a fixed premium at regular intervals, and as long as these premiums are paid, the policy remains active throughout life. In the event of the policyholder's death, the nominee receives a guaranteed death benefit, which helps provide financial support and security to the family. This makes it a reliable option for protecting dependents and ensuring financial stability. At the same time, a portion of the premium is allocated to a cash value component. This cash value grows steadily over time and acts as a savings element within the policy. Over the years, it can build into a useful financial reserve that the policyholder may access if needed, either through loans or partial withdrawals, depending on policy terms. Since the plan covers only one individual, it is particularly suitable for people who want focused and independent financial planning. It is commonly chosen by individuals who want to secure their family's future while also building long-term savings in a disciplined manner. Overall, the single life whole life insurance plan offers a balanced combination of lifelong protection, guaranteed benefits, and gradual wealth accumulation. Now let's understand the participating whole life insurance plan. In this type of plan, the policyholder not only receives guaranteed benefits but also gets an opportunity to share in the profits of the insurance company. When the insurer performs well, it may declare bonuses, which are added to the policy over time. These bonuses gradually increase the overall value of the policy, making it more rewarding compared to non-participating plans. However, unlike guaranteed returns, these additional benefits are not fixed and depend on the performance of the insurance company. This plan is suitable for individuals who are looking for lifelong protection along with the potential to earn higher returns through profit participation. Now let's understand the difference between whole life insurance and term insurance. Whole life insurance provides coverage for your entire lifetime, as long as premiums are paid. It not only offers a guaranteed death benefit but also includes a cash value component that grows over time, making it a combination of protection and savings. On the other hand, term insurance provides coverage for a specific period, such as 10, 20, or 30 years. It focuses purely on protection and does not include any savings or cash value component. In terms of cost, whole life insurance generally has higher premiums because of its lifelong coverage and savings feature, while term insurance is more affordable since it offers only risk coverage for a limited duration. So, if your goal is long-term financial planning along with protection, whole life insurance can be suitable. But if you are looking for high coverage at a lower cost for a specific period, term insurance is usually a better choice. So, whole life insurance is a powerful financial tool that not only provides lifelong protection but also helps in building long-term savings through its cash value component. It offers stability, guaranteed benefits, and can be an effective option for those looking for both security and wealth creation over time. Well, that's all for this video on whole life insurance. I hope you now have a clear understanding of whole life insurance in detail. If you have any queries, please feel free to leave a comment in the comments section below. We will definitely help you resolve them. Thank you for watching and stay safe.